Derek and I founded Nationwide Haul in 2012. From humble beginnings since then, we've had a steady growth of clients and team members. Shortly after 2008, with a fragile economy, we set out to start a company with a culture that was client-focused and quickly realized that our clients' success would ultimately be ours as well.
In Nationwide Haul, we strive to give every client the best buying experience in the industry. Our goal is doing right by the customer in every step of the sale. When our customer's business grows, we grow.
We are one of the fastest growing semi-trailer dealerships in the United States and represent some of the top brands in the country. Besides having a stellar and professional sales team, we're also able to offer our clients multiple financial, leasing, and repair options for new and used equipment. Our goal is to offer our clients a single location for all of their equipment needs.
The success of our clients and our company as a whole is a direct reflection of our team and the relationship we share as a family.
Our future as a company is bright. We have built great partnerships and are continuing to expand within Florida, Georgia, as well as nationally. We are extremely proud and excited to open up our brand new dealership location on Interstate 4 in Lakeland, Florida. At this location, we'll provide new and used sales, service, leasing, as well as finance and insurance options for our clients. This year, our team has launched the NH Gives Back initiative and have partnered with local charities and nonprofit organizations like 4Kids and have supported their mission until every child has a home.
About 4 years ago, we met Derek and Tracy at Nationwide, and they talked to us about being a distributor, and we needed a good, strong distributor in South Florida, so we got together as a team. Since then, Nationwide has become one of our top 5 dealers in the country. We're very proud to have them on board. They're now selling our flats, our dumps, and some pneumatic tanks. They're continuing to grow into a new facility in Lakeland. We're looking forward to the next 5, 10, 20 years with Nationwide Haul. They're young, they've got a great sales force. They do exactly what they say they're going to do. We see Nationwide as one of our top dealers moving forward into the next 10 and 20 years. And we're very proud to have them on board and looking forward to the teamwork.